Hey guys, this is Fondo on Wanhupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Shira asked Nairobi to accept the forgiveness of Mira. But Nairobi reminded Shira that Mira poisoning her and make a fake pregnancy to come to take his heart. But Shira tries to be sympathize with Mira while Nairobi is refusing to accept the forgiveness of Mira. While Tusheleni and Nomsa and Yenzegile are on Macingwana to clean the dark magic, but Nomosa has a problem that if they clean the dark magic, all things will be vanished. But Nomosa problem is the business that will be vanished. And Macingwana he tell Nomsa that if she does not vanish the business, the father of Yenzegile will die. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.